Hello, today I'll be showing you how to change the batteries in this Honeywell 5821 wireless flood and temperature detector. The tools we're going to need for the job is a medium-sized Phillips head screwdriver and a CR123A battery, which can be acquired at any local hardware store. The first step is we're going to take our screwdriver and locate this pry tab at the top of the sensor. We're going to press into the pry tab with medium pressure and pry upwards until the cover plate pops off. Once the cover plate pops off, we can then locate the battery. To remove the battery, I've always found it's easier to pull on the positive end first, just like so. Once our old battery is removed, we're then going to replace it with our new battery, positive on this side, negative on this side, as indicated on the sensor. Once our battery is pressed in and we've made sure it's all good and aligned, we're then going to realign the bottom of the sensor. We're going to line it up so there's no edges and everything sits flush, and then we're just going to press in at the top. Once we hear the click and we inspect that there's no gaps, our job is finished. And that's it.